The Baosiwei brand was established in 1996. In its founding years, the company concentrated on delivering continuous and reliable production of inks and media solutions, establishing Baosiwei's reputation for consistent quality and dependable performance. Responding to the industry's rapid advancement, Baosiwei adopted international brand quality standards as our benchmark, dedicating ourselves to developing multiple industrial-grade digital printing equipment solutions. In 2023, the company pursued intensive domestic growth while expanding internationally. We opened new markets across East China and other regions, while establishing our international department to progressively serve digital printing users worldwide. To address evolving market demands and industry changes, the company implemented comprehensive equipment upgrades, developing visual positioning UV flatbed printers, 16-head eco-solvent hybrid machines, Baosiwei industrial-grade dye sublimation printing series, packaging printing and cutting integrated machines, latex ink hybrid printers, UV DTF and gold stamping integrated printers, DTG direct-to-garment printers, PET film transfer, tablecloth direct printing, DTF heat transfer and hot stamping solutions, coated paper printing machines, and numerous other innovative process solutions. With 29 years specializing in multi-industry digital printing machines and solutions, Baosiwei provides specialized inks and consumables, all together with color management systems and comprehensive one-stop services tailored to different industry requirements. The Baosiwei research and development team has successfully launched over 1,800 digital printing solutions spanning multiple industries and applications, empowering customers and enhancing their competitive advantages with quality and efficiency that exceeds industry standards. While maintaining rigorous product quality standards and exceptional customer service, the company upholds a talent philosophy emphasizing positivity, shared vision, professional dedication, and long-term development. We remain committed to building an expansive platform that provides robust development and learning opportunities through comprehensive training systems. In talent guidance, development, and cultivation, we continuously invest our efforts to create a positive, inclusive, and diverse working environment for employees, fostering an excellent atmosphere where everyone can achieve their potential and showcase their talents. We seek individuals who share our core values, those who remain grounded while continuously innovating and pursuing excellence in performance. We expect them to distinguish themselves in their work, assume significant responsibilities in key positions, and establish routes for growth and breakthroughs at Baosiwei, achieving personal fulfillment while building a shared future for both individual and company success.